everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back, and firstly let's look the background and select this shadow. Let's go to Effects Presets and search for Fill. Let's double click to it and let's change the color to gray. Okay, then click OK and select this shadow, press T, let's change the opacity like this. Okay, nice. Let's create a new null object and let's hold Ctrl and double click to here and let's move it to here. And let's select this window, link it to body, and select this body, let's link it to body 2. And also let's select this shadow, let's link it to body 2. Now select this body and wheel 1 and wheel 2, let's link them to null object. Let's select this null object and let's rename it to controller. And now let's select this body 2, let's go to solo and go to pan behind, let's move the anchor point to here. Now go to unsolo, now select this controller, go to here and let's press P, make position keyframe and go to first second, let's move it to the right. And select this keyframes, let's make it easy. Let's see. Nice. Let's select these wheels, select both of them, press R and make rotation keyframe and go to here. Let's change it to -1 and this one as well. Let's see. Okay, let's select these last two keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Okay. Let's change it to -2 so it will be more quick. Nice. And now go to here, let's select this body and press R, make rotation keyframe and let's move this rotation to here and change this one to -2. Let's make them easy. Let's see. Maybe let's move it to the right a little bit and hold out. Let's move this one to the right. Let's see. Okay. And now go to 10 keyframe, this holding shift and page down. Let's make it +1 and go 10 keyframe again. Let's make it -0.5 and go to 10 keyframe again. Let's change it to 0. Let's see. Okay, let's select these keyframes and hold out, move to the right. Let's see now. And select this keyframe, let's move to the right as well. Let's select all keyframes and move to the right. Let's see. And as you see, there is some problem with the shadow, so to fix that, let's go to here and select this shadow and link it to null object. Let's see now. Okay, nice. And now let's give animation to our windows as well. Let's select windows and let's pre-compose it and rename it to windows. And let's go to here. Nice. And go to pen tool, draw a line like this and select this shape layer. Let's change the stroke size, let's make it 8 and change the color. Let's select this one and move it like this and click OK. Nice. Now let's open this shape layer and contents. Let's duplicate this one and let's move it to the right and open this shape 2 and stroke 1 and change the stroke width to 5. Okay, let's close it and select this shape 2 and press Ctrl D to duplicate it and let's move it to the right like this. And now select this window and press Ctrl D to duplicate it and move it to the up. Select the shape layer, let's change it to alpha matte window. Okay, nice. And select the shape layer, press T, change opacity like this and press P, make position keyframe, go to here and change it like this. select this keyframe and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, let's go to here and change this one to here. Let's see. Nice. Let's maybe move it to right a little bit more. Let's see now. And change opacity a little bit. Okay, 8 is good. Nice. Now let's move our work area to here and right mouse, trim comp to work area. Let's preview it. Okay, now let's make a fake stoplight. So to make it, let's right mouse, new and solid. Now let's select this color and make it like this and click OK, and let's change the name to stoplight and press T, change opacity to, and let's go to pen tool, let's mask it like this. Okay, nice. And now let's change opacity to 100. Let's change here to make it smooth. Nice. And select this stoplight. Let's link it to controller. Let's see. Okay, nice. And now let's open this stoplight and open mask and mask one and make keyframe for mask feeder and go to here. Let's change it to 80. Let's see. Select these keyframes and make them easy. And left to right. Or maybe let's change this one like this. I think 70 is good. Now let's see. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.